In a warm tent on the rolling hills, two brothers live with their mother and father. Saw is loud and rough, with a small hunting satchel and dust on his blade. Measuring Tape is quiet and careful, always counting and measuring. They are twins, but as different as can be. Their father, Lantern, is very old now. His amber light glows softer each day. He loves Saw best, because Saw brings him meat from the hunt. Their mother, Kettle, worries about Measuring Tape, who is quiet and stays close to the tent. One morning, Saw heads out for a long hunt. He walks up the hills and into the wild places. The sun climbs high. Saw walks far and farther still. Back at the tent, Measuring Tape is cooking. He stirs a pot of warm red lentil stew, slow and careful. The smell drifts out the tent door and over the hills. Measuring Tape hums a little as he stirs. Late in the afternoon, Saw comes back. He found nothing on the hunt. His blade droops, his satchel is empty. He is so hungry his head feels dizzy. Then he smells the stew. "Give me some of that red stew," Saw says. "I am so hungry." Measuring Tape looks up from the pot. He thinks for a long, quiet moment. Then he says, "I will trade you. Give me the special gift our father will give to the older brother one day. Trade me that, and the stew is yours." Saw barely listens. "I am so hungry I could fall over," he says. "What good is a gift later if I starve right now? Take it, it's yours. Just give me the stew." He shrugs his blade and waves a tired hand. Measuring Tape pours the warm red stew into a bowl and hands it to his brother. He hands him bread too. Saw sits down and eats fast. He gulps the stew. He chews the bread. Then he gets up, stretches, and walks back outside without another word. Measuring Tape stays in the tent. He looks at the empty bowl. He looks at the door where his brother just walked out. Saw traded something very precious for one bowl of stew, and he did not even stop to think. Measuring Tape understands what just happened. The tent is very quiet.